Alright guys, so we're headed back to the shed. We're gonna get our next project out, see if we can get it running. We got, I was been out here today, so opened our shed up. We got a dirt bike frame with a motor on it. We're gonna see, drag it up to the garage. I forgot those guys.
Is that caught on something? Did that handler?
Yeah. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna go try to get this started, see what we come up with. And if it does start, well, we'll talk about what we're gonna build. Oh, driving. We gotta find some way to hold this thing up.
You got two jack stands or just one?
How about a tire? Should we put a tire under it with hold up?
You have another jack stand.
It'll work. Started broke. We're gonna check it out. The Kickstarter looks like it's stripped out, but I think it's electric start too.
So we messed around with the wiring for a little while, trying to get the electric start to work. We checked with the solenoid and different things, and just finally decided that we were going to look at the kickstart instead. We don't think the starters are working on it, so gave up on it.
So, let's do this. Somebody tried to weld. I'll put a little, come on, focus in there. One little booger on the Kickstarter, and we're gonna try to grind that off and then clean it up so that we can put a better weld, or at least look at it and see if we can put a bolt back through it. So, and then maybe if it runs, it'll be worth putting a starter on. I don't know. Or if we fix the starter or Kickstarter that way and it runs, we'll leave it alone. Not worry about it.
Spare motors.
Alright, so we are stealing a kickstart off one of the other motors that we have had in our inventory. Yeah. We're gonna see if it'll fit on here. Otherwise I'm gonna, this one's pretty stripped out. I don't know if I can get the camera to focus on it or not, but don't look like it. A little bit. Yeah, so it's pretty stripped out. So. Otherwise I'm gonna try to put a bolt in it and motor it. But.
Grind that off. Move that out. Second steel. And then look like this should have been straight up on that and that. That was straight up here. Big black.
Okay.
Oh, that's the tire that way. Come on, bro. Okay. Kind of awkward when they got a back tire.
Kind of awkward kicking over a motorcycle, no tire on it. Oh, when you were kicking it?
When I was kicking it, I probably hit it. Yeah, so that big, if the big switch is up, right now it should fire. So.
There you get one.
Choke's off then.
Yeah. Woo! Well, that was easy once you turn on the kill switch. Wow, she sounds pretty good. Yeah, so we're going to talk about what we're going to build now. I'm going to shut this off for a minute and we're going to go collect some more parts. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We got a rear axle, small quad or something. It was in the bucket of parts. We're trying to decide, and we have these fenders, so we're with a seat. so we're trying to figure out how we want to mount it to do this. But we were looking at fenders are in good shape too. So what we're looking at is we want to keep it kind of low, and so we're thinking we're going to cut this.
Keep the center of gravity down. So
Yeah.
It's so tippy.
Because you know it's gonna be a three-wheeler, so dirt bike trike. All right, guys. So we're still working on our three-wheeler trike thing here. We cut the back swing arm down and we put in this cross brace so that we can line this up with these brackets here and put some nice welds on there, and then maybe another brace from here up to there. So that's what we're working on. That's enough.
Keep that on video.
Probably. As long as it's still recording. Whoops. Rear end was crooked, guys. Gotta start over. Had to break it off. We gotta figure out how to get it straight.
Probably about a quarter.
We're gonna grind it off. So we gotta grind them clean first and figure it out again. Well, you just said we were fast and loud.
That was the
TV show. Check it out, guys. Look what we got done today. We got a sweet rider. So thanks for watching today, guys. We got the trike, dirt trike here. Got the axle under and changing some gears, and got to make an tensioner on it next time. But I think she'll be riding here pretty quick. Check this one out. Thanks for watching today, guys. That's all we got time for, though. So what do we use on this one? Check out the Amazon link for the chain that we got, number 40 chain. And
like and subscribe.
yeah, there you go. If you haven't checked that notification box too, see when our next video comes out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.